How to precisely remove background in CapCut and avoid bad result. First, as you can see, I have two clips in my timeline. I'm going to drag this clip and I'm going to select this clip, go to the remove BG, and we can simply select auto removal and it will remove the background. Now you can also check the custom removal. You can select the brush, you can select your subject, you can brush on your subject that you want to keep. Now as you can see, we have this brush on top of the subject. So now we can apply these changes, and as you can see, we remove the background of the subject. Now sometimes the auto removal will not work, so I'm going to show you an example. First, let's delete this video. I'm going to drag this video in timeline. Go to the remove BG, check auto removal. As you can see, the auto removal is now processing. Now as you can see, it completely removed my video. Now it is not detecting the object that is in the video. So I'm going to uncheck this. I'm going to select custom removal, select the brush, and now I'm going to brush this. Now as you can see, we selected this mask. Let's apply the removal, and as you can see, now we have this mask. So to summarize this video, if you want to remove any background of any subject, then use auto removal. But if you want to remove some object, like in this we have this mask, then use custom removal. And if you have a green screen, then you can use chroma key. Now as you can see, we have this green screen video. I'm going to select chroma key. I'm going to select my background, which is green. Now we can increase the intensity and we can also increase the shadow. And now as you can see, we have the feather edge. So it will feather the edges of my subject. Now to clean up the green edges, we have to increase the cleanup edge. Let's increase the feather edge. Let's increase the shadow. We can increase the intensity just a little bit. And now check out the final result. So these are all the options that are available in CapCut to remove the background of your videos.